Hello everyone, this is a really quick video to explain you what you can expect next week. It's the capacity building capsules for urban practitioners, and you can strengthen your skills through 10 how-to capacity building sessions facilitated by a really good network of experts. Let's have a look at it. So Monday you have 4 sessions, Tuesday 5 sessions, Wednesday the workshop, and Thursday the presentations. Let's look into it. So 4 capacity buildings on Monday. The first one is from Rami Kanan, how to use GIS to map out problems and design solutions for transportation and waste from 1 to 2. This is a very practical solution-based training, and at the same time in a parallel session, the ones that work in tourism should definitely go to the session of Professor Nancy Richter, how to apply innovation methods to local tourism. She will show us some examples and some frameworks. Then we will have the soft launching of our community of practice and an overview of the methods to be learned, especially in the workshop of Wednesday. And we will formulate already 4 to 5 challenges that we have grasped from your harvested insights, from the needs that we heard you had during this week. This is going to be 3 to 4 p.m. CET on Monday. And on Monday evening, for the ones in Latin America, from 5 to 6 CET, how to use social media for citizen communication in a responsible way. Adriana and Federico have prepared a really good hands-on session for you on how to deal with trolls, how to use social media, how to fight conspiracy theory, and why social media is important for municipal communication. This came up a lot during this week. On Tuesday, we have 5 capacity building capsules. Also things that came up during this week, but also throughout the whole virtual exchange. Adela, Krista, and myself have prepared a session on how to organize and manage digital events and meetings of multiple stakeholders in times of social distancing. How do I do the overall project management? Why do I need to take care of? How much time does it actually take to organize a good and efficient decision-making meeting with my stakeholders online? And building up on that from 12 to 1, Amir and Christian will show you what kind of human-centered digital solutions you can use or implement for yourself, and also inclusive tools for non-digital natives that might work in your municipality. Then from 2 to 3 p.m. Jorge Rodriguez will give us a really one-to-one introduction on public service design methods. So a beginner's introduction on how to co-create innovative solutions with citizens and with other actors. And from 4 to 5 p.m., this is a topic that came out a lot in our discussions. We'll talk about team empathy and how to build a positive work culture at the municipal workplace in times of crisis. This is relevant for any type of workplace, and really in these times to keep ourselves healthy and empathetic towards each other. In the evening of December 1st, you'll have from 6 to 7 Federico and Jorge training you on how to formulate an accurate public challenge from insights that you grasp from the community on the one hand, and on the other hand, how to pitch it correctly to financing bodies. So this will be an important session. This is why we'll repeat it the next morning for the people who are sleeping from Latin America, for instance. So on Wednesday, the 2nd, we'll start with the repetition of that session from 10 to 11 a.m. This time, Chris from Europe will do the session with Jorge. And in this day, from 14 to 18 CET, we'll have our 4 hours workshop where we will tackle 4 or 5 challenges that came out from the Connective Cities community, from the 236 participants that attended this week, and where we grasped all the insights. On Thursdays, we will look at the solutions that you came up with really quickly in the 4 hours, and we'll also get some information on financing instruments. Some closing remarks and looking forward will be also on December 3rd. We are looking forward for you to join us, and you can go to community.connective-cities.net to sign up for any of these sessions. You can individually book these sessions, or you can join for the whole capacity building journey. See you there.